These are the dedicated tools and materials required. First, measure the PVC tube and mark the cutting line. Second, cut the tube with a PVC saw. Next, use the reamer to smooth out the cut surface. Clean the tubes with alcohol cleaner using waste cloth. Then, apply ample amounts of glue to the tube and its fittings. Next, connect the tube and hold it in place for a few seconds. Lastly, wipe off the excess glue between the tube and fittings. Units without drain pump, the drain hose outlet is located at the lower level. Units with drain pump, the drain hose outlet is located at a higher level. For 4-way cassette ME2 series case, kindly take note on the limitations of raising the drain pipes. The drain pipe can be raised to a maximum height of 850 mm from the bottom of the ceiling. Do not attempt to raise it higher than 850 mm. Doing so will result in water leakage. For middle static ducted MF3 series case, if it is necessary to increase the height of the drain pipe, the section directly after the connection port can be raised to a maximum height of 500 mm. While installing the drain pipe, do not install with an upward gradient from the drain port connection. This will cause the drain water to flow backwards and leak when the unit is not operating. Make sure the drain pipe has a downward gradient of 1/100th or more from the drain port connection. Separation of support brackets is 1.5 to 2 meter. Do not provide U-trap or bell-shaped trap in the middle of the drain pipe. Doing so will cause abnormal sound. Do not install an air bleeder as this may cause water to spray from the drain pipe outlet. Do not bend the supplied drain hose more than 90 degrees. Insert the supplied drain hose all the way into the drain port of the indoor unit. Please tighten the hose band firmly with 2.5 and 3.4 Nm torque wrench. Use a pipe larger by one size for confluence piping. Connect a 100 mm step difference from each indoor unit to the confluence piping. Remember to avoid trap and drain pipe elevation while grouping drain pipes. Please refer to the instruction booklet before your installation.
Panasonic